In this video, I will show you how to sort a column by numbers in ascending or descending order in Excel. To begin sorting, first select any cell within the column containing the numbers you wish to sort. This step is crucial as it tells Excel which range of data you want to organize. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on Home. Once you're in the Home tab, hover your mouse over the Editing section. Click on Sort and Filter, and you'll see several options appear. To sort your numbers from smallest to largest, also known as ascending order, select Sort Smallest to Largest. And just like that, your numbers are now sorted in ascending order. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.